Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, according to the time of day that you are checking in. I'm into English 202, World Literature, in the Summer Session B, Summer 2013, and welcome to class. This is a way of introduction to point out sources of information and to give you a general idea of how the course is going to be conducted. First, you can find the guidelines and the syllabus to this course in course information on this Blackboard site. And by means of the guidelines, you can familiarize yourself with how the class is going to be conducted. I assure you that there is not going to be any tests, but each weekly assignment does come with discussion boards, questions to be answered, and a journal. There is going to be a 5-page paper, and we will discuss that as the time arrives. And also in the information, you will find out how many points are involved in this class and how you qualify for an A or for a B. What good advice can I give you about this class? Well, first of all, being a 6-week summer session, it is a good idea to keep up on a weekly basis. Don't leave everything to the end. There have been times that students, out of desperation, have had to leave things to the end, and it never works out very well. So do keep up from week to week. Yes, there is going to be a lot of reading in this class, and the textbook may startle you, but I assure you that we are not going to be reading everything in there. Instead, we are going to be extremely selective. My best advice to you is to embrace your inner world literature. And the class's overall objective is to expose you to a variety of works from all over the world. And we are going to be hearing voices of men and women. We are going to be hearing voices of poets and philosophers. Our reading is going to extend from a Japanese haiku master and his travelogue to a slave girl in the United States. And we're also going to be reading an African novelist, and we're going to be reading a selection from Gulliver's Travels, which was written by an Anglican priest and a satirist. And in all these works and words, we are going to be learning more about the human condition. I always say that we study literature in order to find out what it means to be human. And I think we're going to be taking a very interesting journey in the summer session B 2013. Again, welcome to World Literature.